Good day, everyone. My name is Kevin Ransom Byron, a student of Great Plains College, Warman campus, taking up early childhood education. And for today's topic, I'll be talking about my experiences in the Play and Exploration Phase 1 online training here in Saskatchewan, Canada. As a father and an early childhood educator, I have now a deeper understanding of play. It helps nurture our children to develop their skills such as physical, emotional, literacy, numeracy, and their meaningful relationship towards other children and in the environment. Through play, it helps them to develop their self confidence and self esteem and learn to think for themselves, solve problems, and interpersonal relationship with others, especially in times of conflicts. Educators and adult supervision, interaction, and the relationship bring meaningful connection with children. Educators, as well as the adults, serves as the children's second parents, as well as their facilitator, communicator, and observer. Whether it is outdoor or indoor, it is the job of the adults and caregivers to listen to the children and develop genuine trust, build a meaningful relationship, and overcome difficulties. Educators and caregivers are the ones who prepare the play spaces that are suitable for the children's interest and development. A responsive play environment is a place where there is an opportunity for the children to explore, learn, and do creative things that is very helpful for their development. A responsive environment must provide children more diverse learning options, including children with identified delayed learning disabilities. The environment has enough space where the children can play and move easily and includes hands on interactive involvement, experiment, and self discovery. To become effective early childhood educators, we must consider the time, spaces, materials, and children's participation towards the activity. A responsive play environment also considers the socio-cultural indoor, outdoor, and learning spaces. The Plane Exploration Phase 1 online training helped me to have a deeper understanding of play, especially that I came from other country, different culture. As an early childhood educator, it is a great learning experience to me. This is where I realized that I need to allow my children to enjoy outdoor play, risky play, and explore things that can help boost their self confidence and self esteem. Children are strong. They are capable in the sense that they are unique. They have a very creative mind. They have a unique point of view towards the things around them. The principles of early learning has a big impact between educators and the children, educators and the parents, as well as the children and to other children. The educators have many roles in children's play. Educators use a variety of strategies to support the learning process. Educators are researchers and collaborators in child's development process through play. Play and the environment has an integral part to the whole being of the child. Children has the connection to other people, culture, and to the community that surrounds them. Children will develop their social, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual skills into meaningful learning experiences. In creating learning environment, according to Rinaldi in 1998, we know that the environment is a valuable teacher if it is amiable, comfortable, pleasing, organized, clean, inviting, and engaging. This is true of all spaces, whether big or small, open or furnished, public or private. This is true of floor space, ceiling space, and wall space. Therefore, environment plays a big role in shaping the children's learning. Educators prepares the children's play area to support all the aspects of the children's developmental process. The environment set up can stimulate all the children to participate the activity. Children must feel that they are respected, valued, and capable of experimenting things that they love. Outdoor play spaces are important consideration for the children and in the early childhood education. Play spaces size, shape, and its location, including its features, vary greatly. Some play spaces exhibit unique features like play equipment, trees, but most of them needs additional play seating to increase children's play and learning opportunities. The play space setup adds value and support to the children's specific activity like water play. Trees, flowers, shrubs, and grasses increases the meaningful experiences for the children. Children's exposure to the natural environment enhances children's creative imagination as they experiment through play. It will also improve their communication skills, social skills, and teamwork as they interact with their peers and other children. When used effectively, outdoor play spaces are a powerful learning environment for children's holistic development. An invitation or provocation is important. It gives children the opportunity to make their own choice and learn independence for their learning. As an early childhood educator, it is necessary to have a thorough planning in displaying, selecting, and arranging the materials that can draw children's attention to wonder, explore, and discover new learning experiences. Calming colors and an orderly arrangement stimulate children and encourages children to engage in the activities. In creating invitation for children, educators use an open-ended materials, or we call that one loose parts, like tires, scrap woods, safety metals, stones, marbles, and other materials that offers a variety of ways in play. Play can improve the children's cognitive, social, emotional, and physical development. Children learn best through exploration and discoveries. Educators and caregivers encourage children's curiosity and solve problems with age appropriate toys. Activities that involve counting, building, sorting, and experimenting helps children develop their cognitive abilities while playing. Educators' involvement in children's play is not only beneficial for the children, but it is also beneficial on the educator side. It also allows the educators as well as the parents to view the world through the eye of the child. Through play, it creates bond between the educators and the children as well as the parents. Once again, this is Kevin Ron Sambayron, a student of Great Plains College. Thanks for watching.